How you doing? Here, continuing with our talks about a visual factory. And again, I've got Jetonio Hayes. Jetonio, once again, is the assistant work leader in welding. He handles most of our new people in training. And this is the way that the welding department schedules their boards to make it nice and easily and visual.
This is our welding scheduling board. And what we do here is we have each one of our welding employees, they have their own skills card. These skills cards detail what they're efficient in, distinguished in. So we know exactly each booth where these guys are at. Like right here, you got Pedro. When he comes in, he knows immediately after our morning meeting, comes to this board, he's going to booth 21. Over here, we got a guardrail, door, red, yellow, condo. It's very detailed so our guys know and understand where they are, what they got for the day, what type of assignment they got to do for the day. And it helps us organize and keep balance on where all of our guys is at all times.